Now here the question is, we are given this integral function and we need to find this function has how many points of maxima and minima. So what we'll do is we'll find f dash x. We'll use Leibniz rule. So in place of t, we'll put x square. So it'll be x to the power 4 minus 5x square plus 4 upon 2 plus e to the power x square into derivative of upper limit. And derivative of upper limit is simply 2x minus, now lower limit is constant. So derivative of lower limit will be simply 0. So we can write f dash x equals, now we can factorize it and we can write this as x square minus 1 x square minus 4 into x upon 2 plus e to the power x square. Now if we put it equals to 0, we'll get 5 critical points. X equals plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2 and 0. So we'll put it on a number line. So this is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. What is the sign of the rightmost? Sign of the rightmost is plus. So this is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus and minus. So we have points of minima at minus 2, 0 and 2. So we have 3 points of minima. And there x equals minus 2, 0 and plus 2. And we have 2 points of maxima. And there x equals minus 1 and x equals plus 1. So this function will have 3 points of minima and 2 points of maxima, and that's your option B. Now here the question is, investigate for maxima and minima of the function fx equals this integral from 1 to x and then 2 t minus 1 t minus 2 cube plus 3 t minus 1 square into t minus 2 square dt. Now what we'll do is for maxima and minima, we'll differentiate this function. We'll find f dash x. Now in place of t, we'll put upper limit. So it'll be 2 x minus 1 x minus 2 whole cube plus 3 x minus 1 square into x minus 2 square, and then derivative of upper limit, it is 1 minus, now lower limit is constant, so its derivative will be simply 0. Now we can write this as x minus 1 into x minus 2 square, and here it will be 2x minus 2 plus 3 x minus 1, which we can write as x minus 1 x minus 2 square and then 5x minus 7. Now if we put it equals to 0, we'll get 3 critical points, 1, 2 and 7 by 5. Now there is an even power at x minus 2 square, so that means there is no sign change at 2. So this 2 is nothing but this is point of inflection. So we'll put all these on a number line. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 7 by 5. Rightmost is plus. So this is plus, minus. Now there is no sign change at 2. So it will be minus, and then here it will be plus. So for this question, x equal to 1, it is point of local maxima, and x equals 7 by 5, it is a point of local minima, because for 1 sign changes from plus to minus, and here it changes from minus to plus. Now here the question is, we are given this function fx and we need to find its maxima and minima in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Now we find f dash x. F dash x will be 1 minus sin x plus 2 sin cube x into derivative of sin x, which is cos x, and then minus lower limit. It will be 1 minus cos x plus 2 cos cube x, and then derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now we'll simplify this. We'll get this as cos x plus sin x Now here it is sin x into cos x, and here also it is sin x into cos x. So it will be minus 2 sin x into cos x, and finally for this we can write 2 sin x cos x, and then it will be sin square x plus cos square x, which is 1. So here 2 sin x into cos x will cancel. So we'll get f dash x as cos x plus sin x, and if we put it equals to 0, we'll get this condition that value of tan x is minus 1. Now in 0 to 2 pi, the value of tan x is minus 1 at 3 pi by 4, and in the fourth quadrant, which is 2 pi minus pi by 4, and there will be 7 pi by 4. Now we have to find sign of this expression in any interval. So this value will be plus, then minus, and then plus and minus. Now at 3 pi by 4, the function first increases and then decreases. So at 3 pi by 4, there is a local maxima. So 3 pi by 4 is a point of local maxima, and at 7 pi by 4, the sign changes from minus to plus. That is, it decreases and then it increases. So that means it is a point of local minima. So at 7 pi by 4, it has a local minima. So answer to this question is maxima at 3 pi by 4 and a minima at 7 pi by 4, and that's your option B.